Everyone, well, he is back. Roaring Kitty with a tweet on GameStop. And you know what's even more sweet about it? We caught call options seconds before the stock got halted. The weekly 32s that more than tripled, some actually 5x'd in value intraday. But let's go back to his reference because we also saw some Chewy. Look at these GameStop here hitting. Some Chewy. And what does this tweet mean? Is he sharing his position? Let's get to it. So here in GameStop, we know Roaring Kitty's behind it. He came out with a little tweet today giving all the options basically he's in. So what I mean by that is if we look at his tweet here, let's pull it up here. See if we could get it. There we go. You look at the time, 1:09. That is probably the GameStop earnings date. It's probably going to be January 9th. They keep moving back the date, so that's what I'm assuming. And then we also have the 420 here, which I'm assuming is going to April, the expiration call options he's been buying pretty aggressively over the past few weeks. If you look here, 263, 368,000. You see here just how aggressive the April options are. So if we go to April expiration, we can see all those calls as you see in open interest right there. Now the market makers keep pushing back the earnings date. That's what I'm a little hesitant on. When are they actually reporting? Because you could see here saying December, but they said that last week and the week before. So we really don't know. And it's kind of an odd stock. So let me know down below what you think. Do you think it is Roaring Kitty in the April expiration? I mean, that is a pretty large position, you know, multiple millions. Just in calls that we can see that are clean, let alone calls that are tied with his underlying stock position. Also, could he be buying more options? For example, if we look at the January expiration, we see very large open interest in the Jan 40s, the Jan 25s. What is the Kitty up to? He's starting to do a little tweeting again, and it was very good for all the meme stocks. You see AMC ripping, and we also saw names like Chewy with those weekly calls had about a 50% rally just off this little 10-minute spike there. So if you want to get your hands, by the way, on these scanners to see the biggest trades in the world live in real time, go ahead, see if there's a link below in the description where you can get the penny option scanner for those cheap weekly options, or the big boy scanner, the news flow scanner, with a little bit more expensive, aggressive orders.